Hi children. So let's begin the class with an interesting topic from the lesson Safety in Food 2. So I hope you all are ready for the class. So let's begin. Today we are going to discuss about the quality of milk. How to determine the quality of milk. In last class, we have learnt about the adulteration. In that, we told that the milk is mixed with water and starch. Starch is for thickening the milk. We are using it. So that is an act of adulteration. So how can you check a high quality milk? It can be checked using an instrument called lactometer. So this is the picture of a lactometer. For this there is an experiment. You have to take 3 boiling test tubes, fill 1/4 of the test tube, one with milk, the other with pure water and the third with the mixture of milk and water. Immerse the lactometer first in the milk, then in pure water and then in the mixture of milk and water. There will be a reading in the lactometer. The reading which shows the highest level, it determines the pure quality. So when it was immersed in the milk, it shows a higher level. It means that the milk is of pure quality, nothing is mixed in it. It's pure milk. But when the lactometer was immersed in pure water, the level lowered. And in the mixture of milk and water, it lowered also. Both the readings have a lower level. So this indicates the low quality of the milk. And another test to determine whether starch is present in the milk, that is an iodine test. In this test, we are taking some amount of milk in a test tube and you are adding 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution to it. If the solution turns dark blue color, it refers that there is starch present in the milk. So adulteration is one of the greatest dangers that all the people are facing today. It is a social evil and it is punishable also. And there are certain colors are added to the food substances. Artificial chemicals which shows different colors to make the food attractive. There are many colors added to the food like bakery items and all. This can cause many serious health problems if its uses is above the limit, and its continuous use can affect the functioning of kidney and liver. Here is the chart showing some of the chemicals and their colors. First one is red color. The chemical used is carmosin, erythrocin and Ponzi4R. The yellow color, the chemical used is tartrazine, sunset yellow. The blue color, indigo carmine and brilliant blue. And green color, fast green is used as the chemical. So the artificial chemicals are not to be added to the food substances when we cook it. And it should not be added. You can use it in certain limit, but if it crosses the limits, it will affect our functioning of the liver and the kidney. Now, who is testing the quality of food substances? The food substances quality is tested by an agency. It's called Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI. Okay, and the AG mark which you can see on the picture, the AG mark, it shows the quality of food items like grains, fruits, and processed foodstuffs like vermicelli, you can see this AG mark. It tells the quality of the food item. And there are certain informations also provided in the packet of the food items. Like it shows there are two dots, red and green dots. The red dot indicates that the food item is a non-vegetarian, and green dot indicates the food item is a vegetarian. So these are the certain informations provided on the certain packets of the food items. So this is about today's topic. So hope you have understood the topic. Bye children.